Hi there, I just want to tell you about the pea shoots that we really like to keep going through the winter. We use them in all sorts of salads and stir them into stir fries, cook them for a couple of minutes, and they still keep their crunch, but they taste absolutely delicious and give it a lovely sort of green look as well. So simplicity itself, just to grow peas, sort of pea shoots all through the winter. I've been soaking some dried peas for a couple of hours, and so I'm just going to, these are just ordinary pea seeds. I mean, you could just use dried peas from the supermarket if you wanted to. And I've got some damp compost just in a supermarket tray that I've just punched holes in the bottom of, and I shall just spread the peas out across the compost, and they can be nice and close together because we're not going to let them grow into tall pea plants or anything. So just over the surface of the compost like that. Okay, and then I shall just spread some more compost over the top, like that. Okay, and I've got a little seed tamper. Oh, let's push those down a little bit more, and a little bit more over those. Tamp them down. We've got these little tampers in our online shop actually. There we are. And just pop a label in like that, and I shall leave those on a windowsill. It doesn't even need to be a sunny windowsill, or just in a cold frame for a couple of weeks, and they'll start to shoot. Within a month we'll be eating delicious pea shoots. I shall be sowing some more in a week's time.